Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix Instagram swipe reply feature not working. So if you are having this problem wherein you cannot swipe reply like this or like that, then I'll teach you on how you can solve this. So this might be a couple of problems. So the first one is actually because you are not updated to the latest version of it. So you're not updated to the latest version of Instagram. That might be causing it. So all you have to do is, if you're not updated, you just have to update and just wait for the process to finish when installing the update, and that should fix the issue. But if not guys, then I suggest you to try this method right here. So go over to settings and go over to manage apps, and you just have to find Instagram, or search for Instagram here. And all you have to do here is go ahead and go over to battery saver and make sure to no restrictions. Set it to no restrictions right there. And go over to storage right here and go over to clear data. So clear cache first, clear all data and hit, after that clear all data and hit OK. And that should hard reset the app, and that should fix the issue. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can fix Instagram's swipe reply feature not working. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.